I'm very glad to introduce BTY-B1P gas permeability test for you. This tester is mainly consisting of the mainframe, gas tank, and computer. Now I introduce how to operate it. Connect the mainframe and power source. And then connect the mainframe and computer. After this, with a screwdriver to tighten it. Install the output valve to the gas tank. After this, use a spanner to tighten it. And then, with the gas pipe, link the mainframe and gas tank. This one is main valve, this one is output valve, this one is main manometer, this one is output manometer. Before you open the main valve, you must be sure the output valve is closed. Open the gas tank. Before you open the main valve, you must be sure the output valve is closed. And then turn this knob to adjust the output pressure to 0.5 Pascal. It's okay. Pull this knob out, let it down, and then turn it. Pull it up, let this knob back. Now I introduce how to install the specimen. Firstly, open the cover, and then turn this knob, open the chamber. When you open it, you will find two circles, this one and this one. You need to spread the vacuum grease between these two circles. After this, put the filter paper into the first circle, and then mounting the simple. You must be sure there is no fault on the simple. After this, close the chamber and tighten the knob. The other two chambers are same. After this, close the cover attach the CD into the CD room and open it. You will see this document. Double click it. You will find this icon. Double click it. Here you can select language. Now select English and then click OK. And then click Next. Select I accept the terms and then click Next. Here you can input your name and your company and something, and click Next. Next. Install. Click Finish. After this, you will find one shortcut on the desktop. Double click this shortcut. The first time to use it, you need to input the register number. And then click Register. Click OK. Here you have enter into the software. Before you do the test, you need to set some parameter. Click this button. All this is some parameter of the tester, like the test model and below time and chambers and pressure and barrier. Usually, the test model is we select proportional, and all this time is default. The pressure is according to some standard, and the customer can select the chambers. Maybe you can select number 1, number 2, number 3, and all the 3 chambers. After this, click the OK button to save them. And then you need to click this button to set some information of the film, like the name of the sample and the materials, thickness, and the company, and so on. After this, click this button to save it. After this, click this button to save them. And then we can click the Start button to start the test. We can click the Start button to start the test. At beginner, the system will blow these 3 chambers one by one. After this, fill the test gas into the upper chamber. When the pressure of the upper chamber reaches to the 1 atm, the system will begin to test automatically. With the test going on, the system can draw the curve of the pressure vs time. When the system thinks the permission is steady, it will show you this dialog frame. Prompt the user, the test is finished. You can click OK button, and then click the Save button to save the test report. You can input a name, maybe run, 1, 2, 3, and then click the Save. After this, if the user wants to see the test report, they can click the report button and open the test that they have saved. Open it. Just like this. When the test is finished, close the main valve and then close the output valve. After this, power off the mainframe.